The Supreme Court must now decide whether a tool used by law enforcement across the country violates suspects' rights. At the center of the debate is a case where DNA evidence led to a rape conviction for a man arrested in a completely separate case. ABC 7 Maryland Bureau Chief Brad Bell explains.
In the Montgomery County Police Lab, technicians have used the unique genetic human identifier contained in DNA to convict killers and rapists. When the bars on those slides match up, it is a scientific certainty that an ID has been confirmed. So, since 2009, police across Maryland have been collecting 33,000 DNA samples from those arrested for violent crimes, whether they were convicted or not. The growing database has led to 43 convictions in crimes that had been unsolved. Now, Maryland Attorney General Doug Gansler is asking the Supreme Court not to take the tool away.
Because DNA is the 21st century fingerprint. So we need to be able to solve cases, cold cases that we otherwise couldn't solve.
At issue is the case of Alonzo J. King. When he was arrested in Salisbury for waving a shotgun at a crowd in 2009, police took a DNA sample. His DNA linked him to a rape. He was convicted, but then his lawyers argued that taking his DNA before conviction on the unrelated assault charge was a Fourth Amendment violation and unreasonable search and seizure.
Warrantless, suspicionless searches are unconstitutional.
Today, the case landed in the Supreme Court with both sides trying to sway the justices.
The only difference between DNA and fingerprints or a photograph is the fact that they actually have to open your mouth to touch the swab against the inside of your cheek.
But we believe that fingerprinting is really fundamentally different because of the profound information contained in an individual's DNA.
By virtue of an order from the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court last summer, Maryland continues to collect DNA samples at arrest, as do 27 other states. The Supreme Court's decision in this case is expected by the end of June. At the Supreme Court, Brad Bell, ABC 7 News.